large tiles. Make sure that spread thinset on both sides. You have to run everything in the same direction. Can't stress that enough. That's the way to get the proper full coverage that it requires behind the panel, so that you got long strength bonding material being done. So yeah, now that I got the thinset on the wall, I'm gonna focus on getting the thinset on the panel, put them both up together, hook up my spacers. Now's the perfect time to show y'all guys the spacers. Let's take a look. These are the spacers, right? So after we snap them in together, what we do is you want to slide it in and butt them up right next to it. Now the spacers have the backboard of the back piece of the spacers have little holes. When they get pressed in, thinset's also going to come out of those little holes, which helps the spacer bond better. So we got the one piece right there. Let's put one up here. Oh, very important, guys, very important. When y'all putting these spacers up, very important, check this out. When y'all put spacers up, do not put them very close to the edge of your panel. Right here, when y'all go to press it, it will break this corner. So you gotta stay a good distance away from that corner. Now let's put the rest of these spacers up. I like to use as many as I can, to be honest, because the panel itself, it's really flexible. So the more spacers you got, the better. I got like one too many in there, but it's okay. We're gonna bring the panel and we're gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna get behind it, put the thinset on, then we're gonna put it on together. All right guys, it's time to move the panel. We have to bring the panel. Bring it back. All right, so we spread the thinset behind the panel. We spread the thinset on the wall. Now it's time to bond them together and put these spacers on. So let's do that next. Now I'm gonna grab this panel and get it as close as I can, right above my shim, right? Right. So come on, hold it. Okay. And then, all right, that's it. Press it in. Now it's time to use the whacker, whack it in. Again, I can either use the top piece and hear the clicking all the way down, or I can just use this part right here. And then when I get close enough, I press in some and slide it down. Okay, that's good. All right, so basically I put this on level 4. We don't want the S. The S stands for snap. So we want to put this on 4, level 4. I'm gonna go to level 3 first. Okay, seems to be already at a level 3 there. Slide it in there and basically just slightly squeeze. I'm gonna help apply pressure on this side because it needs it. All right, now I'm gonna wham it a little more. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If y'all liked it, hit the like button for me. If y'all want to see more content, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.